I've been with Warner Motors for 17 years. We have a full service department, a total reconditioning department. The service department is second to none. We have a loyal following, and when you come to visit Warner Motors, you'll see why. One of the main reasons you'll want to deal with Warner Motors is all of our vehicles are hand-picked. Very few, if any, of our vehicles are purchased at auction. They're all local new car trades. I'm going to give you a deal that I don't have to worry about paying a salesman commission. Most of our inventory is sold well below Kelley Blue Book value. We have been here since 1926. All of our cars are Carfax certified. We have financing available for all your needs. Many different credit unions and banks that we deal with value our quality of customer. I encourage you to stop by Warner Motors and see what we have to offer. You will not leave here dissatisfied. And when you purchase a vehicle from Warner Motors, you don't have to worry that you're buying it as is. All of our vehicles are coming with at least a 3-month, 4,500-mile warranty. All of our technicians are ASE certified. Many, many years of combined experience. So know that when you purchase a vehicle from Warner Motors, you're getting peace of mind. We've serviced the vehicle. It's got a brand new inspection, oil change, and it's ready to go. Warner Motors, making car buying easy. That is the Warner way.
Warner Motors. Visit our website or stop by today.